Hello everyone, I'm Malind. Welcome back to the grammar lesson. Today I'm here to talk about type of sentences in English grammar. Okay, before going to look at type of sentences, let's consider how to form complete sentence. We know sentence include many part of speech such as subject, verb, object, complement and so many things. However, to create complete sentence, at least we need subject and verb. But remember, only subject-verb combination is not enough to make complete sentence. It should also convey the complete idea of the sentence. Okay everyone, now we are going to look at type of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences in English grammar. These are simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence and compound complex sentence. Okay, let's turn our attention on simple sentence. What is the simple sentence? Simple sentence include one independent clause. The sentence of which include one independent clause, so we call them simple sentence. Sometimes you might think, what is this independent clause? I explained about independent clause and dependent clause from one of my earlier video. However, independent clause is a group of words and contain subject and verb. Further, they can stand alone as a sentence to convey complete idea. Okay everyone, remember again, simple sentence include one independent clause. They must have subject and verb. They must express a single complete thought. They must have only one independent clause. Okay, let's look at some examples about simple sentence. Look at this example. Jack do not like hunting. Jill likes walking. Jill likes walking in the park with his friends. Okay everyone, when we look at this example, it's very clear these all examples have subject verb combination, and also this every sentence express a single complete idea, and these all examples contain one independent clause. Look at the first example. Jack do not like hunting. Here Jack is the subject, like is the main verb and do is its helping verb. Okay, here hunting is the gerund because it acts as a noun of the sentence. So actually it is the object of the sentence. We know objects are noun. Okay, go through the second example. Jill likes walking. Here Jill is the subject and likes is the verb. Okay, go through the third example. Jill likes walking in the park with his friends. So I have added some extra information into the sentence. Remember, this simple sentence can be a short and also can be long with many part of speech, but it should be one independent clause to be simple sentence. Sometimes the simple sentence could have compound subject and compound predicate. Simply say two or more subject and two or more verbs. Okay, look at this example. Jack and Jill likes walking and fishing but hate hunting. Okay, when we look at this example here, Jack and Jill is the compound subject because it includes two subjects. Here walking, fishing, hunting, these are gerunds because they act as a noun of the sentence. Here hate and likes are the verbs. Although it has two verbs, this sentence about simple sentence because these both verbs are governed by the same subject. Okay everyone, now we are going to consider what is the compound sentence. Compound sentence include two or more independent clauses or two or more simple sentence. We use coordinating conjunction to link these two clauses together. Okay, let's look at some example. Look at this example. I am a teacher. My wife is a nurse. Okay, when we look at this example, it's clear this about simple sentence because these every examples include one independent clause. But we can use coordinating conjunction to link these clauses together. Then it becomes a compound sentence. Look at this example. I am a teacher and my wife is a nurse. Okay, let's look at more example. I need to buy a car, but I don't have enough money. He didn't have enough money, so he paid by credit card. We can take a bus to the town, or we can just walk there. Okay, when we look at this example, it's very clear this every examples include two independent clauses, and also we used coordinating conjunction to link them together. Okay, remember this compound sentence include two or more independent clauses or two or more simple sentence, so we use coordinating conjunction to connect them together. Okay, one thing you should remember, to keep comma before coordinating conjunction. to separate these two clauses. Okay everyone, sometimes we can use semicolon or dash to make compound sentence instead of using coordinating conjunction. Look at this example. The sky is clear, the stars are twinkling. Okay, when you look at this example, we have used semicolon instead of using coordinating conjunction to make that compound sentence. Okay everyone, today I mentioned about what is the simple sentence and what is the compound sentence. I hope that you learned something about the simple sentence and compound sentence. I will explain about complex sentence and compound complex sentence from my another video. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.